ॐ अस्य आदित्यहृदयस्तोत्रस्यागस्त्य ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् आदित्यहृदयभूतो भगवान् ब्रह्मा देवता निरस्ताशेषविघ्नतया ब्रह्मविद्या सिद्धौ सर्वत्र जयसिद्धौ च विनियोगः।
Namaste. Today we will talk about complete yogic practice and process which is also found in the ancient books and Vedas. Neither it takes much time nor it requires any special equipment. As well as by doing it, all the organs of the seekers are benefited by improving the workability, health, power and energy level. Important facts. According to the demand of the present time, it increases the immunity of our body. And that is Surya Namaskar. If we talk about history, then there is a description in our Vedas, that is scripture, that a divine named Hanuman offered his gratitude by greeting the god sun through Surya Namaskar, which born as Hanuman's Guru Dakshina to sun god. Combining Yajur scripture mantras and Rig scripture verses, we get the description of Gayatri mantra, in which the word Savitas found another name of Surya. The fourth chapter of Bhagavad Gita describes the sun Vivsan as poetry and song by Sri Krishna. There are 12 verses which we chant in Surya Namaskar. In each verse, the sun god is pronounced by different names and he is then greeted, which are: first, Om Mitraye Namah means the friend to all. Second, Om Ravaye Namah means the radiant one. Third, Om Suryaye Namah means the one who induces activity. Fourth, Om Bhanue Namah means the one who illumines. Fifth, Om Khagaye Namah means the one who moves through the sky. Sixth, Om Pushne Namah means the one who nourishes. Seventh, Om Hiranyagarbhaye Namah means the golden cosmic one. Eighth, Om Marichaye Namah means the one who infinite rays. Ninth, Om Adityaye Namah means the sun by Aditi cosmic mother. 10th, Om Savitre Namah means the one who gives life. 11th, Om Arkaye Namah means the one who is worthy of praise. 12th, Om Bhaskaraye Namah means the enlightener. The description of sun god is also found in the Aditya Hridayam Stotram. Adityasya Namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine ayu pragya balam virya tejas tesham cha jayate, which means that those who do Surya Namaskar daily, their intelligence, knowledge and strength level increases. The 12 asanas of Surya Namaskar are performed with these 12 verses, utterance which we get to gain on a physical, mental and spiritual level. They have a subtle penetrating effect on the body and mind. Surya Namaskar is also called a complete yogic practice. According to Isha Yoga, Surya Namaskar is to create harmony between solar and chakras, and this process is described in 3 ways. First, Surya Namaskar. Second, Surya Kriya. Third is Surya Shakti Kriya. Surya Namaskar. If you want physical fitness and little spiritual touch, you should do Surya Namaskar. Second, Surya Kriya. If you are longing to experience a complete spiritual process, you should do Surya Kriya. Third, Surya Shakti Kriya. If you just want to take care of physical fitness, you should do Surya Shakti Kriya. According to Sadhguruji, when we sweat while doing yoga, then we should not wipe the sweat. Rather, we should rub that energy on our body parts and then observe that energy. Before performing Surya Namaskar, we have some important rules and precaution. That is, number 1, like yogic ritual, it should be done during the morning sunrise. Number 2, it is advisable to do it with an empty stomach and in an open air. Number 3, one should bath with a little cold water from the normal temperature. Number 4, one should wear loose clothes while doing. Number 5, while doing Surya Namaskar, keep your face toward east direction. Number 6, Surya Namaskar should be done on a mat or a blanket, dari only. Number 7, children below 5 years of age should not do it. Number 8, people who have high blood pressure, fever and heart disease, they should not do it, as blood pressure increase due to active sun pulses. Number 9, after doing Surya Namaskar, one must take rest in yogic sleep or Yog Nindra. Now, let us know the scientific reason behind the Surya Namaskar. Sun is the source of communication, of life on earth. As soon as the sun rises, the chemical in the body begins to change and the atom of the body begins to react. Since time immemorial, the sun is worshipped as a god. It holds great importance religiously. Now, science has proved the healing power of Surya and the health benefit of Surya Namaskar, and it helps in maintaining optimal vitamin D in the body. Also, solar plexus behind the navel in the human body is connected to the sun. The practice of the 12 asana series enhances the solar plexus, which in turn increases creative, spontaneous and leadership potential in practitioners. Last but not the least, top 11 health benefits of the Surya Namaskar are: first is healthy body. Pranamasana works on the lower body. It effectively strengthens the legs, ankle and feet. Relieve sciatica. Scientifically, joining of hands is connected to right and left hemisphere of the brain. Second is magnifies blood circulation. Active breathing and exhalation process maintains oxygen to the blood and ventilates the lungs. It's a great way to detox the body. Third is natural weight loss. It helps to lose weight around the abdominal region and also tone the abs and strengthen the musculoskeletal system. Fourth is glowing skin. It increases the blood and oxygen supply in these areas like skin and skull, which is helping to achieve a youthful glow and a longer healthy look even in old age. Fifth is calming properties. This yoga posture has a calming effect on the brain. It reduces anxiety and strengthens the nervous system that promotes positivity. Sixth is improves health and flexibility. Surya Namaskars, 12 asanas increase strength and enhance the fitness level of the body. It makes the spine flexible and more. Seventh is activate the heart chakras. According to yoga tradition, Pranamasana activates the heart chakra and encourages the opening of the lotus heart with awareness. Eighth is remedy for blood pressure and heart problem. Surya Namaskar benefits the heart muscle and heals irregular beats, and the sugar level is also controlled. Ninth is happy function. Due to alternate stretching and compression of abdominal organ in the Surya Namaskar series, a happy and healthy gut is one of the most healthy benefit of Surya Namaskar. 10th is helps in maintaining high spirit. The practice of Surya Namaskar enhances the health of our body, brain and soul. It is one of the best ways to keep the body free from disease and live a life of youth spirit with positivity. 11th is helps in increasing immunity. 12 asanas of Surya Namaskar helps in positive glandular secretion, activates chakras, calm and ease the blood circulation, physically, mentally and spiritually strong and healthy. It also strengthens the digestive system and helps in execute smoothly, increases immunity by removing all the impure elements from the body. So, in this video, we have described the history of Surya Namaskar and 12 verses of Surya Namaskar, and we have also described its rules and precaution and scientific reasons and its 11 benefits. In the next video, we will understand the right way to do Surya Namaskar. So, with this, we would like to end this video. And if you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe, do yoga, stay healthy. Namaste.